Pingu the Penguin cooks the food. In the snowy land of Antarctica, there lived a playful penguin named Pingu. Today was a special day, as Pingu was going to cook a delicious meal for his friends. Pingu, donning a chef's hat and apron, was excited. "Today I'm going to make a big feast. I'll cook fish pie and snowberry jelly," he said, clapping his flippers. Pingu started preparing the fish pie. He carefully chopped the fish, mixed it with seaweed and snowberries, and put the mixture into a pie crust. While the pie was baking, Pingu prepared the snowberry jelly. He poured snowberry juice into a bowl, added some magical jelly powder, and poured it into jelly molds. Pingu smiled proudly, placing the pie on a cooling rack. "Now, time to make sure the jelly is ready," he said, checking the jelly molds. With a little help from a spoon, Pingu popped out the colourful jelly shapes onto a plate. His meal was ready for his friends. Sisi and Poppy were amazed. "Wow, Pingu, everything looks amazing," said Sisi. "I can't wait to taste it," added Poppy. They all took a bite of the fish pie and a spoonful of jelly. Their faces lit up with delight. "This is the best fish pie I've ever had," exclaimed Sisi. After the meal, the friends celebrated by playing a fun game of hide and seek. They laughed and had a great time together. Ping's cooking was a success, and he was happy to share his delicious food with his friends. It was a day filled with laughter, joy, and tasty treats. As the day came to an end, Pingu, Sisi, and Poppy waved goodbye. They had spent a wonderful day full of cooking, eating, and playing. And that's the story of how Pingu the Penguin cooked up a wonderful feast for his friends. Cooking can be fun, especially when shared with the ones you love.
And that's the end of our tasty adventure with Pingy. We hope you enjoyed the story and had as much fun as Pingy and his friends. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel.
The end.